Today we're gonna be doing a beginner style I like to call Ruth. Ruth is a full head wrap with a low bun in the back. All right, ladies, let's get started. To start off with, for this wrap, you're gonna need 2 hair ties, a buff or a scarf to go underneath your top scarf, and your top scarf. For this particular style, I like to use a square scarf. Specifically, I prefer the Israeli tickles, but you can use any sort of square scarf for this. For the hair, what you're gonna wanna do is pull your hair into a low bun. For the head wrap style Naomi, I did 2 French braids to pull my hair back. But for this particular style, I'm gonna just throw my hair into a low bun. After you've gotten your hair into a low bun, you're gonna take your buff or your other headscarf and just throw it on. The reason I prefer a buff in comparison to a headscarf underneath is because the buff is like a big tube, and then it leaves this excess material in the back. With that excess material, I take my other hair tie and create a symmetric bun, and it'll go just like this. Once you have your underneath scarf or your buff on, you're gonna grab your headscarf. So I grabbed my tickle, and I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna create a triangle with it. So I have 3 corners on this. I'm gonna take the corner that I created, and that's gonna be going away from my forehead. And I'm gonna lay it over the top of my head. The rest of this head wrap will be done in the back. So you're gonna start by taking this pointy end and just tucking it underneath. And then you take your 2 sides and tie them. Once it's tied, you're gonna wrap each side around the bun. Then you'll take each corner and you're gonna tuck it into a part of the fabric. And here's Ruth. Ruth is the beginner's version of Naomi, which is a more advanced head wrap of this particular style. So if you want to check that out, click here. It'll give you a little challenge for your week. Otherwise, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, shoot me an email. My link is listed down below. It's always a blessing to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and you can support this ministry by donating in the link down below. On that note, ladies, it's a wrap.